This is Scooter back 204. Me and my brother was hunting. My brother, he's over there in the field and saw the little finch hop in the tree, and he aimed right there on its head and hit him right there in the neck. Right there in the neck. So, I mean, he bled a lot. Look, see, there's blood, a big old patch of blood on his wing and all up through there, and on his legs. And he bled a lot. And he shot it with the Ruger Explorer, 495 FPS, using hollow point pellet. And there's the wingspan on him. I think he's like a baby or something, because he don't look right. We never shot a finish look like this before. See how much he bled? He bled a lot. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, bro.